Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Tricolor Creations. Thanks for watching. This is a piece that I created using acrylic pouring. I'm using some simple colors, mainly yellows, greens, and blues. What I enjoy about acrylic pouring is that you can start with intention, you can start with this awesome design in your brain. Ultimately, the art kind of creates itself and kind of decides what it wants to be. It's a really cool technique and I really enjoy doing it. It's great for beginners, it's great for experts, and you can really get some cool designs. This piece that I created, as I was creating it, I had, kind of a concept in mind, but as I was starting to manipulate the canvas, it kind of started changing and morphing a little bit. By the time that I got all the colors on the canvas, I started kind of picturing this like peacock image. So I started creating some dots, trying to almost mimic peacock feathers. And ultimately what actually happened by just pure coincidence and just sheer luck actually, was that as the piece was drying, it actually had this like silhouette or this outline of a peacock in the piece, which I thought was really amazing, and just honestly I just lucked out. So I ended up just kind of outlining just ahead of it, and I wanted to kind of create the body just to be this like vague kind of picture that you can kind of allow the user, allow the viewer to kind of picture it and kind of imagine the rest of the body. So this is a little piece that I created. It's called the Hidden Peacock. The peacock's really not too hidden since I outlined it, but I just wanted to share this with you. Go ahead and hit the like button if you like what you see. Feel free to subscribe. I want to create more content, and thank you so much for watching. I do really appreciate it. Have a good one.